Hello friends, welcome. Today in this video, we are going to practice how to convert simple present, simple past and simple future sentences from active voice to passive voice. So let's start. Okay friends, here is the first question on your screen. You have to convert this sentence into passive voice. The sentence is, he opens the door. Now let us see how we are going to do this. But before we start, let us see what is the basic structure of a passive voice sentence. The structure is object plus helping verb plus main verb plus by plus subject plus extra words if any. Friends, now we are going to solve this question keeping this structure in mind. So, first of all, we are going to change the position of subject and object. Since the subject in the passive voice sentence is he, therefore, while writing it in the passive voice, the subject will become him. So, after arranging the subject and object according to the structure, we will get the door plus dash plus by plus him. Friends, as you can see, we have not filled the helping verb and the main verb over here. We have just changed the position of the subject and object. Now let us move to step 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to fill the third form of the main verb. Since the main verb in the active voice sentence was open, so its third form will be opened. Now friends, as you can see, we have filled all the blanks, but we are left just with the helping verb. Friends, the first two steps are the basic steps that you have to do while converting any active voice sentence into the passive voice. Now, the last step is to fill the helping verb. Friends, we fill the helping verb after identifying the tense of the active voice sentence. यानी कि हमें सबसे पहले ये आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है कि हमारा जो एक्टिव वॉइस का सेंटेंस है उसका टेंस क्या है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं सेंटेंस क्या है, ही ओपन्स द डोर. So we can say that this particular sentence is of simple present tense as the main verb is open and which is the first form of the verb plus SER is. So friends, जब भी हम किसी प्रेजेंट टेंस के सेंटेंस को पैसिव में कन्वर्ट कर रहे होते हैं, उस वक्त जो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं वो क्या होता है, इज, एम या आर. सिंस डोर एक सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है तो यहाँ पे जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगा यूज़ वो क्या होगा, इज. देयरफॉर हमारा सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा पैसिव वॉइस में, द डोर इज ओपन्ड बाय हिम. फ्रेंड्स, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. शी रोट एन अवार्ड विनिंग नॉवल. ओवर हेयर द सब्जेक्ट इज शी which will be changed into her and the object is an award winning novel. Now let us move to step number 2. We are going to write the third form of the verb write, which will be written. So the sentence will become an award-winning novel plus dash plus written by her. Now we are going to fill the helping verb in the sentence. For that we have to identify the tense of the active voice. Since the main verb in the active voice sentence is wrote, which is the second form of the verb write, therefore, we can say that this sentence is of simple past tense. So, therefore, the helping verb will be was. So, the sentence in passive voice will become an award-winning novel was written by her. Now, let us see question number 3. I will finish the job tomorrow. Over here, the subject is I. Will is the helping verb. Finish is the main verb. The job is the object. Therefore, we can say that tomorrow is the extra word. Friends, अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स दे रखे होते हैं तो हम उनको दो प्लेसेस पर अरेंज कर सकते हैं, या तो अपने सब्जेक्ट के बाद में या बाय से पहले. Friends, now let us convert this sentence into passive voice. Friends, over here I have skipped step number 1. मैंने step number 1 केवल आपको समझाने के पर्पस से इंक्लूड किया था. So now let us directly start from step number 2. So the sentence will become the job dash finished by me tomorrow. As you can see that the sentence of active voice is of simple future tense. So while writing it into passive voice, we are going to put the helping verb will be over here. So the sentence will become the job will be finished by me tomorrow. Friends, now let us move to question number 4. Friends, as you can see that question number 4 is a negative sentence. Friends, whenever we are given a negative sentence, in that case, we have to repeat the first 3 steps in the same manner. We are just going to make a small change in the step 3, that is, we are going to add not after the helping verb. So the sentence will become the job will not be finished by me tomorrow. Friends, now let us see how do we convert an interrogative sentence into passive voice. Over here the sentence is, does he play basketball? Friends, whenever you are given an interrogative sentence, उस केस में आप फर्स्ट 3 स्टेप जो अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं वो ही रिपीट करेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पे सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा एज पर स्टेप नंबर 3, बास्केटबॉल इज प्लेड बाय हिम. फ्रेंड्स, अब इस अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम अपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज को अपने सब्जेक्ट बास्केटबॉल से पहले लिखेंगे. सो देयरफॉर ये सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा, इज बास्केटबॉल प्लेड बाय हिम. सो फ्रेंड्स रिमेंबर, जब भी हम किसी सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव में चेंज करते हैं या इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करते हैं, हमारे जो फर्स्ट 3 स्टेप्स होते हैं अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस के, हम वही स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस नेगेटिव होता है तब हम अपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद नॉट को पुटअप कर देते हैं, और अगर सेंटेंस इंटेरोगेटिव होता है तो हम अपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब को अपने सब्जेक्ट से पहले प्लेस कर देते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, now for your practice, few questions have been given over here, the answers to which have been given in the next slide. Friends, please do subscribe to the channel so that आप मेरे आने वाले नेक्स्ट वीडियोस मिस ना करें. आई होप आपको एक्टिव टू पैसिव का कन्वर्जन बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क मी योर क्वेश्चन बाय राइटिंग them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Bye bye.